Welcome to our latest video, where we delve into the highly anticipated Google Pixel 9 Pro. For tech enthusiasts and Pixel fans alike, the Pixel 9 Pro is generating a lot of buzz. In this video, we'll explore everything we know about Google's flagship device, separating fact from fiction based on the latest leaks and rumors. The Pixel legacy and what's new. Google has a storied history with its Pixel phones, known for exceptional computational photography. Even with hardware that might not always be top of the line, Pixel phones have consistently delivered outstanding results thanks to advanced software. The Pixel 9 Pro aims to continue this tradition, but with major upgrades that promise to push the boundaries of smartphone photography. A game-changing sensor upgrade. One of the most exciting aspects of the Pixel 9 Pro is its rumored sensor upgrade. The device is expected to move away from the aging Sony IMX360 sensor and incorporate the new INX8588 sensor. Early reports suggest that this new sensor will significantly improve low-light performance, offering sharper details and more vibrant colors even in challenging lighting conditions. This means you can say goodbye to blurry night shots and grainy selfies. The Pixel 9 Pro is set to become your go-to phone for low-light photography, capturing clear and vivid images in dim environments. Revamped front-facing camera. Another major upgrade is the front-facing camera. The Pixel 9 Pro is rumored to feature autofocus on the front camera, which will result in sharper selfies and clearer video calls. This enhancement ensures that you'll capture those perfect moments with greater accuracy, regardless of the lighting conditions. Enhanced camera performance. The Pixel 9 Pro is expected to use the INX858 sensor in all its cameras, except for the primary one. This means you can expect phenomenal performance across a range of photography scenarios, from stunning wide-angle shots to impressive zoom and detailed macro photography. The device is designed to handle various photographic needs with ease, making it a versatile tool for any photography enthusiast. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold, a new dimension. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is also generating significant interest. Rumors suggest that Google might replace the Sony IMX380 sensor with the Samsung 3LU sensor for the ultra-wide camera. This change could lead to even better dynamic range and sharper details in wide shots. Additionally, both selfie cameras on the Pixel Fold 2 might be upgraded to Samsung 3K1 sensors, promising exceptional clarity for selfies and video calls. 8K video recording. One of the most exciting potential features of the Pixel 9 Pro is 8K video recording. Leaks suggest that the Pixel 9 Pro might finally support 8K video at 30 frames per second, which would be a significant upgrade. This feature could be a game-changer for content creators and vloggers, offering the ability to capture high-resolution videos with professional quality detail directly from their smartphones. Why the Pixel 9 Pro stands out. In a crowded smartphone market, the Pixel 9 Pro distinguishes itself with Google's unique blend of hardware and software. While other phones might have similar specs, Google's computational photography algorithms ensure that the Pixel 9 Pro delivers superior results. It's not just about powerful hardware, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with advanced software. Final thoughts. Experts are excited about the Pixel 9 Pro, predicting it will set new standards for smartphone photography. With these rumored upgrades, Google appears poised to deliver a phone that could redefine the market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the Pixel 9 Pro and other tech news.